Hi guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Grace and welcome to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe. Okay, so in this video I'm going to be doing a deep cleaning. I'm going to be cleaning my room and my bathroom, and that's because I wasn't around for Friday, Saturday, Sunday and half of Monday. So I came back yesterday, Monday, and today is Tuesday, and my room is a little bit messy, so I just want to clean the room. And this is a motivation to clean your own room too, because you know we cannot keep dirt in here. 1 minute. Okay, so I want to clean my room for less than 1 hour. My room and bathroom for less than 1 hour, because right now I don't have lights and I'm using my batteries to power my lights, and I'm so happy that I changed my ring lights. I had to buy this LED 600 because it comes with batteries, and I'm so happy about it. If the audio is whack, I'm so sorry. I don't know where my microphone is, so I believe that in the course of cleaning and arranging the room, I'm going to see my mic. So yeah, I just want to start arranging my room, and let me just show you guys what my room looks like. It's not that bad, I promise, but it's my room and my bathroom I want to clean. It's not that bad, so let me just show you guys what it looks like. Then I'll start with my bathroom, then go over to my room.
I can't ignore it. Eyes calling up to me, girl, you could really be mine if you wanna be. That's just honesty, I've tried to be what you need. But baby, for tonight, you could call on me. Ride, put it all on me, okay? Okay. I've tried to be what you need, but baby, for tonight, you could call on me. Ride, put it all on me, okay? Girl, you could really be mine if you wanna be. Ride, but baby, for tonight, you could call on me. Ride, okay.
Wondering where I picked up the attitude. Guess it's easy when I'm always fucking mad at you. Guess it's easier with something on the side of you. Got me wondering why I ever even learned to lie to you. My psyche's divided. Oh, it's nothing major, but I hate it when you say I know. She left her thong in my house, I went and put it on. I can't blame myself, it's just they turn me on sometimes. And sometimes it gets kinda tough. Don't start that shit, baby, don't start that shit. impress a man. She left a thong at my house, I went and put it on. I can't blame myself, it's just they turn me on sometimes, and sometimes it gets kinda tough. Don't start that shit, baby, don't start that shit. Left a thong at my house, I went and put it on. I can't blame myself, it's just they turn me on sometimes, and sometimes it gets kinda tough. Don't start that shit, don't start shit.
So right now there's no light, and over here I have like clothes to sort, and then I'm done with my bed. I have clothes to sort, then I have my wardrobe and the other corner before I'll end up cleaning my floor. So I just have to sort this out as soon as possible. My light is gone, like the batteries have finally died, and I was planning on doing this for like 1 hour, but it's not about the 1 hour, but my batteries are they're dead. They are dead. Anyway, I'm using room light now. Yeah.
When the world divides and the lines are drawn, we'll join our hands, you know we'll keep holding on. Every wall will fall, the sun will start to shine. In the darkest times, we'll still see the signs. We're rising up and we're standing tall. We might stumble, we still won't fall. With every challenge, we will find our way. 'Cause every step we take brings a brighter day. Everybody say, oh, 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 find my way. Oh, 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 brighter day. Everybody say, oh, 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 find my way. Oh, 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 brighter day. Underneath the skin, we're all a single race. A tapestry that's woven into place. Hearing different views, we find a different plan. With an open mind, together we can. We're rising up and we're standing tall. We might stumble, we still won't fall. With every challenge, we will find our way. 'Cause every step we take brings a brighter day. Everybody say, oh, 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 find my way. Oh, 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 brighter day. Everybody say, oh, 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 find my way. Oh, 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 brighter day. When we see ourselves in each other's eyes, we respect our differences, we empathize. 'Cause together we're stronger, together we're one. Anything is possible, forget what was done. We're rising up and we're standing tall. We might stumble, we still won't fall. With every challenge, we will find our way.
Okay, I've mopped, I've swept my room. I couldn't show you guys me mopping because I've run out of storage and I'm exhausted. So if you hear any sound, it's my water rolling. I want to clean out my bag because I'm sweating and I'm tired. So I just want to have my bag, then I'll go and eat. And you guys, thank you for sticking around. I look horrible, I know. Your girl has been working, so yeah, I'm gonna have my bath. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.